Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Garmin Drive for the first time. So first of all we'll need to plug in the power source, and here I have it. You might also need to press on this button to power it on, and you should see this screen. So there's all kinds of licenses that you might need to read or might want to read, and when you're ready you can either reject or accept them all. Click on OK, agree, and from here our device is ready. Also, we might need to change a language, so if your device is in a different language you might need to click on the settings. Right here locate the advanced, or actually language, and a keyboard, and it has this icon if the device is in a different language and you can't identify what is a language. So click on this icon right here and select text language in the middle, and now you can pick your preferred language. Click on save afterwards and it should change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.